Hello, my dear students. Today we will pass on to our chapter Animal Kingdom. Today we will discussing about the phylum Porifera. So the phylum Porifera are also known as the sponges. The phylum Porifera includes sedentary aquatic animals commonly known as sponges. About 5,000 species of sponges are known. They are distinct from protozoans in having cellular grade of structural organization and from other metazoans in lacking the tissue grade of construction. The phylum Porifera are having different types of animals. They are very colored animals. The word porifera originates from Latin and refers to the organism having a body full of pores. It literally means pore-bodied or pore-bearers. The main characteristics of phylum Porifera, they are multicellular organisms. Mostly marine forms remain attached to rocks and few of them are marine. Body with pores. The pores are known as the ostia. No organs or true tissues. No nervous system. Adult are sessile and attached to the substratum. Skeleton of calcareous spicules and slices spicules and spongin or the combination. All are aquatic and most of them are marine. Phylum Porifera, the sessile asymmetrical organisms have no tissues, organs or organ systems. Composed of two cell layers, have specialized support structures, reproduce sexually and asexually, feed by filter feeding. So, in the animal phylum, whose members are sessile and either asymmetrical and radially symmetrical, body organized around a system of water canals and chambers, cells not organized into tissues or organs. Approximately 9,000 species are found in nature. These are multicellular organisms, body a loose aggregation of cells of mesenchymal origin, asymmetrical or superficially radially symmetrically, and mostly marine, all are aquatic. Epidermis of fat pinacocytes, most interior surface lined with flagellated collar cells are the specialized cells are known as the choanocytes that create water currents, gelatinous protein matrix called mesophyll or mesoglia contains amoebocytes of various types and skeletal elements. Skeletal structures of fibrillar collagen, that is a protein, and calcareous or siliceous crystalline spicules often combined with variously modified collagen, that is spongin. No organs or tissues, digestion intracellular, excretion and respiration by diffusion. The reactions to stimuli apparently local and independent. Nervous system probably absent in Porifera. All adults are sessile and attached to substratum. Asexual reproduction by buds or gemmules, the special type of buds that produced in poriferans that are called as to the gemmules. So the gemmules are the asexual reproductory structures. And sexual reproduction by eggs and sperms. Free swimming ciliated larvae are formed. The simple sponge morphology. So this is the structure of choanocytes. The choanocytes are to the peculiar organs that present into the sponges. In example, the pinacocytes from to the outer body of wall, the mesenchyme cells and spicules are in the mesophyll. The porocytes that extends through the body wall from to the ostia. The two types of pores are present in their body. Throughout their body, the small pores that are known as to the ostia, and in the upper part of the body, a large opening that we call as to the ossiculum. So, the water current that enters inside to the body through the ostia and that flows out through ossiculum. Choanocytes are the cells with a flagellum surrounded by a collar of microvilli that traps food particles The food moves towards to the base of to the cell where it incorporated into the food vacuole and passes to amoeboid mesenchyme cells where digestion takes place. Brown arrow shows to the direction of movement of trapped food particles. The morphology of sponges, and here the two types of spores are present, the ostia and the osculum. The asconoid is a flagellated porphyrin, that is an example of this porphyra. And so another example, that is a cycon. The cyclonoid, the sponge's body form, the cyclonoid body, the flagellated canals are present, the tubular body and single ossiculum and body which having so many pores, that are the ostia. The food is ingested by choanocytes and whose flagella forces the water through internal pores into spongocells form there is emerges to the ossiculum. So this evidence the sponges, okay, and so cyclonoid flagellated canals are seen throughout to the body of to this sponges. Some of to the examples of cyclonoid sponges are the Granitia ciliatium and the Scypha cilita and Spongia coronata, and then Spongilla locustris, another example. And specialized type of cells are found inside their body, that is known as to the pinacocytes. So the peculiar type of cells, that are the pinacocyte cells. These cells are the skin cells of the sponges. They lie the exterior of the sponge body wall. They are thin, leathery and tightly packed together. Then another type of specialized cells, that are choanocytes. These distinctive cells line the interior body wall of sponges. These cells have a central flagellum that is surrounded by collar of microvilli. It is the striking resemblances of to the single-celled protistants called choanoflagellates and make many scientists believe that the choanoflagellates are the sister group of to the animals. Then the choanocytes, another specialized cells. The choanocytes are versatile cells. Their flagella beats to create to the active pumping of water through the sponge, while the collar of to the choanocytes are the primary areas that nutrients are absorbed into the sponges. So this is the structure of choanocytes. Some sponges, the choanoflagellates develops into gametes. Then another cell, that is the mesenchyme cells. Between the two layers of thin space called the mesenchyme or mesophyll, the mesenchyme that is consists of proteinaceous matrix, some cells and spicules are present. The mesenchyme, the mesoglia. So in between these two cells, some specialized cells are found, that is known as to the mesenchyme cells. Then another type of specialized cells are present in porphyrins, that are amoebocytes or archaeocytes. Some of the engulfed materials may be distributed to another type of cells called amoebocytes cells. This is the example, the picture of amoebocytes cells. Amoebocyte cells attached to the choanocyte cells. And then has choanocytes flagellated collar cells which help pump water in and out of to the sponges. Then sclerocytes, another type of cells. The secretion of spicule is carried out by sclerocytes. Then another cells, myocytes and porocytes are present. Myocytes and porocytes. Then the sponge skeleton. The sponge skeletons are made up of hard rod-like projections called spicules and a protein called collagen. The sponge classes are based on the composition of the spicules. The spicules made up of calcium carbonate or silica are secreted by cells called sclerocytes. So here I put some of to the examples of to the sponges, the leucosolenia, Euplectia and Cycone and Halonemia. So there are so many physiological parts. The digestion is entirely intracellular in nature, and particles taken by choanocytes are passed on to the archaeocytes after the digestion. Then the respiratory and excretory organs are carried out by to the diffusion of to the individual cells. Then habitat of to the sea sponges. There are so many different varieties of sponges are found inside to the sea, and there are very colorful animals, and so this help to coloring the sea underground. Then some of to the freshwater sponges, and the freshwater sponges are extremely durable creatures and able to withstand just about any situation such as drought, chemical pollution, and fractions of water flow, pH, temperature, and hardness. So one of the most important example of a freshwater sponge, that is Spongilla. The most common freshwater sponge is widely abundant in North America, Europe, and Asia. But only one of the most important freshwater sponge that present in the world, that is Spongilla. The reproduction of sponges here, the reproduction spaces, the sexual reproduction. The most of the sponges are monoecious. Both sexes are occur the same individual. That type of individuals, because the individuals are divided into monoecious and dioecious. The both sexual organs are present in one individual. That individuals are known as the monoecious animals. The sex organs, the male and female sex organs are present in different animals of the same species. That type of animals are known as the dioecious animals. But in the case of the poriferans, these are monoecious animals but do not usually self-fertilized, because individual sponges produce egg and sperm at different times. Certain choanocytes lose their collar and flagella and undergo meiosis to form flagellated sperm, and other choanocytes and amnioid cells of sponges probably undergo meiosis and form to the egg. Then asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction through the spores, that is known as a specialized capsules that are known as to the gemmules. This is very very important point. The gemmules are the asexual reproductory organs of to the sponges. Okay, I hope all of you understand about to this one. Thank you all.